So, have you noticed how the whole conversation around self-care has, well, it's really shifted, hasn't it? It's not just about a spa day once a year anymore. There's this quiet but super powerful movement happening, turning massage from a luxury into a must-have part of a wellness routine. Today, we're going to dig into why two classic styles, Swedish and deep tissue, are right at the heart of this big change. I mean, does this sound familiar? That feeling of being totally overloaded in your head while your body just feels drained. It's pretty much the signature stress of modern life, right? And it's the #1 reason we're seeing this massive shift in how we take care of ourselves.
And this brings us to what a lot of people are calling the everyday wellness shift. It's all about moving away from just reacting to problems, like burnout or pain, and instead actively building wellness into our everyday lives. It's becoming a routine.
Just think about your day. You've got the long hours hunched over a desk, a phone that never stops buzzing. You're trying to hit your fitness goals, run all the errands. It just piles up. Our minds and our bodies are basically always on. And honestly, people are desperately looking for the off switch. And that right there is a huge change in mindset. Instead of waiting for the alarm bells, that burnout feeling, or a sharp pain in your back, people are now scheduling moments of rest and recovery before they hit a breaking point. It's really the difference between routine maintenance and a total emergency repair. So, how are people doing this? How are they getting that proactive care? Well, let's start with the first of two really popular solutions, Swedish massage. Think of this one as the gentle, comforting answer when you're feeling totally overwhelmed.
This quote just says it all, doesn't it? It's not about intensity or digging in deep. It's about release. It's that feeling of finally letting go of a breath you didn't even know you were holding. It's just pure, simple comfort.
And the technique itself is designed for exactly that kind of deep comfort. You've got these long, flowing strokes that do more than just work on your muscles. They're really meant to soothe your entire nervous system, get your circulation going, and just gently guide your body into a state of total relaxation.
So who's this really for? Well, it's perfect if your stress feels more mental than physical. Maybe you're just coming out of a crazy busy season at work, or maybe you're totally new to massage and want a gentle start. It's a really safe, restorative way to get into a regular wellness habit.
Okay, but what if your stress has gone beyond your mind and has literally settled deep into your muscles? That's where our second style comes into play. We're shifting gears now from that gentle comfort to a much more focused therapeutic relief with deep tissue massage.
And the difference is pretty clear, right? While Swedish massage is all about soothing your mind and gentle relaxation, deep tissue is focused on getting in there and working out those long-held patterns of physical tension. The pressure is slower, it's more deliberate, and it's designed to reach those deeper layers where all that stress loves to hide.
And the reasons people go for this are probably things that you can relate to. We're talking about that nonstop tightness in your shoulders from being on a laptop all day, those nagging lower back aches, or the stiffness you feel after a really tough workout. It's designed to tackle specific physical complaints.
This quote from a client really hits the nail on the head. See, deep tissue isn't just about feeling good for a few hours, because it targets the actual root of the tension. The relief you feel is often way more profound, and it lasts so much longer. It's about feeling lighter and moving better for weeks, not just for a day.
So we have two really different approaches here. One's gentle, one's intense. Why in the world are they both getting so popular at the exact same time? Okay, let's break down the big reasons behind this trend. There are really 4 key things going on. First, stress relief isn't a luxury anymore. It's a non-negotiable priority for our mental health. Second, we all want personalized care that can change based on how we feel that day. Third, as more of us live active lives, massage is being seen as a crucial tool for recovery. And finally, the experience itself, that calm, quiet, sanctuary-like space, has become just as important as the treatment. When you boil it all down, this whole trend is about having a choice. It's not about one style being better than the other. It's about having the power to actually listen to your body and your mind and then choose exactly what you need in that moment, whether it's a soft reset or a strong, restorative fix.
And all of these things point to one final and maybe the most important takeaway. We're really witnessing a fundamental change in how we think about and practice self-care.
Yeah, what used to be a special treat, something you do for a birthday, is now being woven into the regular fabric of life. It's becoming a consistent practice, a deliberate part of a healthy lifestyle, right up there with exercise and eating well.
And that really brings us to the final question, one for you to think about. In a world that is constantly demanding our energy,
maybe the most powerful thing we can do is turn self-care from something we do once in a while into a ritual we practice all the time.